This is a 2-pack of Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpastes. And you get 2 of them and they're both 6 ounces each. Now, I've already started using it and so has my husband, and we really like it. So we're not having a baking soda flavor at all or peroxide. What we're tasting is the brisk mint, and it tastes so good. It really leaves our mouth very minty fresh, and definitely love it. Now, another nice thing that I like about it is you can either twist it off just like this, or it also has a flip up top just like this. So whatever way you like to do your toothpaste, this has the 2 functions, which I really like. Now, let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So here's a close-up of the bottle, and it has really nice deep cleaning action. Also helps to whiten teeth, remove plaque and impurities, and releases pure oxygen bubbles for a clean, fresh sensation. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. And comes out really nice and easy. So you're able to either pop the cap like this and close it, or twist it off. So it's very easy to use, and it also smells fantastic. Absolutely love it. And here is the back of it. It says directions: adults and children 2 years of age and older, brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal and at least twice a day, or as described by your dentist physician. And it's good to brush your teeth for about 2 minutes, and this is also recyclable when you're done too. I definitely recommend this, and I love using it, and it really helps me have a white, bright smile. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.